Hey, what's up everybody? I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to this series Simple Delicious Eats. For today's recipe, I'm going to have egg and tofu recipe, steamed egg and tofu together. But there is a trick because I'm going to use two different types of egg, the normal eggs and the salted dark egg for extra flavor. So in this video, I would like to show you how to make this simple and yet delicious meal for your family. These are the ingredients required for this recipe. First, we have some eggs over here. This is the normal egg and this is the salted duck egg. And the duck egg, I got it from the supermarket. It is covered with black ashes. And after that, I wash it and it looks like that. And then egg tofu, you can use silken tofu, but I use egg tofu for its texture and also for its presentation. And briefly, the way to prepare it is to beat the egg, season it with salt, cook the dark salted egg, and then mix together with the egg mixture. And then cut the tofu, put it into the egg mixture and steam it. When it is done, then we season it and dress it with light soy sauce and sesame oil, garnish it with some green onions, and then flavor it with the shallot oil and the crispy shallot. Okay, let's start with the egg. So I have 4 eggs over here and I'm going to crack the egg into any containers or any bowl. And today I'm going to use a measuring cup for a reason. Just crack the eggs into it. Okay, I have 4 eggs over here and let me see how much is it in terms of volume. So here it goes, water goes in. Alright, with that I'm going to beat the egg lightly together with the water. At the same time, add just a little bit of salt. Remember, we are going to add the salted dark egg, which is salted, so just a little bit will do. Okay, the regular egg is done. Let's keep it aside and now we deal with the salted dark egg. Bring the water to a boil and then put the salted egg into it to cook it for a few minutes. This process is just like baking a hard-boiled egg. Okay, now remove it from the water, let it cool, and then remove the shell and cut it into small pieces. Since the duck egg is still too hot to remove the shell, let me prepare the tofu first. Cut the tofu into small pieces, round cylinder shape like this. Place the tofu into the plate, any pattern you prefer. And then let's get back to the salted duck egg. Let's cut the duck egg into half. And then use a metal spoon to remove the egg from the shell. This way is easier than peeling it up because to peel it is quite difficult. It's quite sticky. Okay. And then cut the salted duck egg into small pieces. And then keep it aside. And now we are quite ready to put everything together. So now we have the tofu in a plate and we have the beaten eggs with water and salt over here. And I'm going to pour the egg liquid into the bowl with the tofu. But there's some bubbles here and we do not want the bubbles because if there's bubbles, if I pour it into it straight away, it also means that the bubbles will be there and the custard will not turn out smooth. So the way to do that is that I'm going to pour it through a fine sieve to catch the bubbles. Yes, you won't see much bubbles there now. and then add the salted egg onto it. And let's check if there's any more bubbles. If there is, what you can do is that use the tip of the paper towel to break the bubbles. This way, find the bubbles and break it. And there's one here, one here. Now next, we need to steam the egg. But before that, we need to cover the egg, because during steaming there will be water condense, and we do not want the water condense drop it back to the surface and damage the smooth surface of the custard. So there are three ways we can do it. Either you take a big plate and cover it, or use aluminum foil, or in today's I don't have aluminum foil, so I'm going to use cling wrap to cover it. Set up a steaming station by using a wok and a trivet, and then place the tofu and the egg on top of it and cover it with either a cling wrap or an aluminum foil over low heat and steam until it is smooth and done. Alright, I've steamed it for about 8 minutes. Let's take a look. Since I do it over low heat, it takes a little bit longer time, and because of it is quite a lot of egg and tofu inside. So what is the best way to see whether it is already done? The best way from my experience is to lightly shake it and tilt it a little bit to see if the liquid is already set. So in this case, the liquid of the egg is already set, so it is done. If it is not, you can cover it and then you can steam it for another 2 or 3 more minutes. Look at it. If you do this way, you can see that the tofu inside is jiggling. So if you want it to be slightly firmer, you can also add another minute or 2. In this case, I prefer to add just another 1 to 2 more minutes. Now let's take a look after additional 2 minutes of steaming. I'll switch it off and take a look. Yes, beautiful. Look at it. It's still jiggling at the center, but it's already set. Now we flavor it with some sesame oil and light soy sauce on top of it. Yeah. Plus the crispy shallot and the shallot oil that I've made just now. And finally, garnish with a bunch of curled green onion strips right at the center. Okay, it's time to serve. Yes, that's how to make a simple steamed egg and tofu, Cantonese style. And as I mentioned, I have added some salted dark egg for extra flavor, and topped with some crispy shallot for extra flavor. So if you would like to get this recipe, I've included in the description below the video and also added at the end of this video for your reference. Please subscribe, tap the notification and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in some other similar video. Bye for now.